how to turn off professional mode on Facebook on Android. It's a simple process, and I'll guide you through it step by step. So let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your Android and make sure you're signed into your account. Next, tap your profile picture to open your Facebook profile. You can also tap your profile from the menu if that's where you normally access it. Once you're on your profile page, tap the three-dot menu located at the top right corner. Now, scroll down until you find Turn Off Professional Mode, then tap on it. Facebook will show you what happens when you turn off professional mode. Take a moment to read the information, then tap Continue. On the next screen, tap Turn Off to confirm your choice. After that, Facebook may show a few final options or suggestions. You can simply tap Close or follow the on-screen prompts to finish the process. And that's it. Professional mode has now been turned off on your Facebook account. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Android Easy Tech tutorials.